Cancer is emerging as one of the deadliest diseases in India today. We lose 3 people every 2 minutes due to cancer. Each cigarette smoke is estimated to curtail life by an average of 11 minutes.
Cancer is such a deadly disease which shakes the patient's soul, as well as their relatives break down mentally and financially.
Early detection and early treatment is the only key to save precious life. Fighting against cancer requires all of us to work together.
Most of the people consider smoking as a status symbol. Today, people's theory is very wrong, as they use smoking and tobacco as a tool to gain social contacts in their professional and personal lives. This is a very wrong concept to become friends, as they become a victim of tobacco abuse.
There are two very personal and emotional reasons to start the trust. My son, Rehan Kazi, when he became cancer surgeon, used to come from hospital and narrate to us the plight of the poor cancer patients and the hardships that they had to go through for want of money. My mother-in-law died of cancer. Mother's tragic death and the plight of the poor present-day poor cancer patients shook my husband's soul to the core, and he rose with full vigor to form this trust.
The foundation over the last 12-13 years has been doing magnificent work in this field. It has provided monetary help to poor cancer patients so that they can undergo their surgery, chemotherapy, radiotherapy, not only at the municipal hospitals but any private hospital all over the country.
Cancer Aid and Research Foundation was established in the year 2001. CAF's motto is to provide medical and financial help to poor and needy cancer patients, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, and color. These cancer patients who cannot afford their medical and surgical treatment costs, we provide them help to get cured and lead a healthy and normal life. CAF's mission is to reach out to poor cancer patients, as many as we can, to wipe out the tears, bringing a smile on their faces.
प्रोफेसर ए काजी साहब ने 2001 में 17,500 रुपये से कार्प की स्थापना की और उन्होंने 12 साल तक इतने मेहनत की और इस मेहनत का फल ये मिला कि कार्प आज बुलंदियों के ऊपर आगे बढ़ रहा है। कार्प कैंसर पेशेंटों की मदद करता आया है, करता है और करता रहेगा।
The vision of CAF is to create a world where cancer survivors live a life which is full of vitality, cancer-free and without fear. We call and encourage them to participate in our events so that they can regain and recover themselves after the treatment of deadly disease. In this way, we are trying that there should not be any stone unturned to make cancer patients' life better.
Professor Kazi's vision has helped numerous cancer patients and their families in their fight against cancer.
CAF provides free counseling and medical guidance to thousands of cancer patients and their families to know about what is cancer and its different treatments. CAF is not only providing free medical and financial help to poor cancer patients, but CAF also provides them free accommodation to outstation cancer patients and their families who are stranded on the streets of Mumbai during the time of treatment.
मुझे कैंसर हो गया। कैंसर एड एंड रिसर्च फाउंडेशन की तरफ से मेरी सर्जरी हुई और मेरा रेडिएशन हुआ और मेरा कीमोथेरेपी हुआ।
Gufran Habib Ansari has a habit of chewing tobacco, due to which he was diagnosed last year with oral cancer. Right from the starting, due to the surgery, chemotherapy and radiation, the funds has been provided from Cancer Aid and Research Foundation.
Sometimes it is very difficult for cancer patients to visit distance hospitals in a crowded city like Mumbai. Hence, CAF provides these cancer patients free ambulance services across Mumbai. After undergoing treatment, CAF also provides them free return railway fare to their hometown.
In CAF Rehabilitation Center, we are not only helping them for the treatment but also providing them livelihood by training them to make paper bags, candles, craft items, tailoring, etc. as per their skills. We use all these products in our charity sale, which is one of our resources to raise funds. All the proceeds received from this charity sale are fully utilized for the welfare of poor and needy cancer patients.
Master Sandeep Teglal Yadav is suffering from acute lymphoblastic leukemia, a type of blood cancer. During his treatment plan, one of our donors has adopted him, due to which his total 12 cycles of chemotherapy and supportive care funds have been provided from our NGO.
कार्फ ने हमारे बच्चे के इतना इलाज खर्चा उठाया है. थैंक यू सर.
CAF has been totally provided funds for his education, due to which this child is living a healthy life in the society.
CAF's innovative drive, which is held throughout Mumbai twice in a month with the help of our volunteers, to spread awareness and to fight cancer with strength by pasting our stickers on commercial and private vehicles with the message of no smoking and united against cancer.
CAF gives fellowship opportunities to young researchers in the field of cancer cure. CAF medical camps are held periodically to educate students, patients, doctors and the general public as well.
CAF conducts lectures by well-known doctors in our premises. We invite cancer patients and their families to attend the lectures. It is also open to general public who are notified by means of advertisement and social media.
The Cancer Aid and Research Foundation has held several health camps to detect early cervical cancer. We've been involved in patients' education, counseling, and to create general awareness of different types of cancers which affect men and women.
India accounts for the highest number of head and neck cancer cases in the world. 90% of these head and neck cancer arise from the use of tobacco, smoking, bidi, pan, gutka, etc. So it's clear that head and neck cancer is preventable. As a head and neck cancer surgeon, I have come across numerous cases in my life. Poor cancer patients who have no place to turn to. As you know, Tata Memorial Hospital and other leading cancer hospitals have a waiting period of many weeks and months. By this time, the cancer would have spread all over the body, and one disease which could have been cured remains incurable. That's where we need to do more. We need to strengthen the hands of Cancer Aid and Research Foundation.
Master Anuj Kumar Verma, he is suffering from acute lymphoblastic leukemia, a type of blood cancer.
जब हम कार्फ एनजीओ में गए थे तो उन्होंने हमारा इलाज कराया और पूरा खर्चा उठाया.
When he contacted us, we provided him emotional support and we have provided him chemotherapy free of cost cycles. Now patient is a survivor.
कार्फ एनजीओ में गया, मैं घबरा रहा था, मैं रोने लगा तो बोले कि नहीं रो मत, तुम परेशान मत, मैं जो कुछ होएगा तुमको मदद करेंगे. मेरी मदद बहुत किया, धन्यवाद देता हूँ.
CAF has various departments under its wings. The Human Resource and Administration Department, which recruits the staff, keeps their records and performs other administrative duties to the smooth functioning of CAF. CAF is also an employee-oriented foundation which organizes employee engagement plan every fortnight in order to reduce work stress and have a friendly atmosphere at CAF.
Key behind the success of any organization is timely completion of internal audit. CAF conducts quarterly internal audit, which helps to keep all the records of financial transactions in proper manner. That helps to maintain the transparent image of CAF.
Accounts department monitors the incoming and outgoing of funds. It makes proper analysis of disbursement of funds as per the requirement of CAF. Patients are our first priority to reimburse them their chemo and financial help along with their railway and accommodation expenses. In India, CAF is ranked as the best health group as per the article published in Mumbai Mirror.
CAF spreads
information and awareness about early detection of cancer by publishing and distributing quarterly news bulletin to donors and general public. This bulletin is distributed around 39 countries across the world. It covers latest information trends in the field of cancer. CAF distributes information leaflets, posters, brochures on cancer awareness and its cure. CAF also spreads awareness through medium of screening documentary films on cancer in school, colleges and corporates.
The Patient Service Department, which provides counseling, medical assistance, medicines to cancer patients, which cross-checks their documents and coordinate with hospitals where their treatment is going on. Accordingly, PSD sanctions funds to poor cancer patients as per their requirements.
CAF Library maintains various books on cancer, its prevention and cure to enable patients and their family members to read and acquire knowledge of the disease. We also do counseling and screening of films on various types of cancers in the library. Information Technology Department is the source of maintaining CAF's data confidentially, which includes our valuable donors' details and the feedback report, as well as patients' detail along with their progress report. We update it with advanced technological tools and machines. These departments are working in sync for CAF's vision to help poor and needy cancer patients overcome the deadly disease of cancer.
मेरे बेटे का नाम योहान जैद है। मेरे बेटे को ब्लड कैंसर हो गया। जब हमारे होश उड़ गए थे, परेशान हो गए थे हम, तो हमको ये पता चला कि काफ भाई खल्ला में है, तो हम यहाँ आए। हमको यहाँ से बहुत मदद मिली। उस दौरान हमारा एक्सीडेंट हो गया। एक्सीडेंट में मेरे पैर चले गए। मेरे हस्बैंड के भी पैर में बहुत चोट आई, जिसकी वजह से बहुत तकलीफ़ें बढ़ गई, लेकिन काफ वालों ने हमको छोड़ा नहीं। बराबर हमसे बात करते रहे। वो हमारा देखभाल वो कर रहे हैं, यहाँ तक का उसका एजुकेशन के बारे में भी वो सोचते हैं। काफ वालों ने इतनी मदद की है मेरी कि मैं उनकी बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ।
CAF organizes various events throughout the year to spread awareness about cancer and its cure. A grand function is organized annually to celebrate CAF's Foundation Day on 20th June. On this occasion, we distribute checks of medical help to poor and needy cancer patients. CAF's objective to celebrate Ocean Day is to acknowledge contribution of individuals in the field of cancer by giving them Lifetime Achievement Award along with Award of Excellence and Outstanding Contribution in the field of cancer.
Ocean Day is highly significant to share its views and awareness with general public because we are creating a platform for common man who are interacting with highly qualified doctor who give speech as per common man's understanding.
Cancer Aid and Research Foundation had asked me to serve my legal services to the NGO. So how could I deny the great opportunity to serve the nation through CARF?
Our website carries all the information of CAF, including e-appeal, membership form, and various links of social media networking channels like Facebook, Twitter, etc. to reach out to maximum number of people. Donors are the backbone of CAF, who have joined hands to support our mission of working towards poor and needy cancer patients. To encourage our valuable donors, we publish our appeal in various national newspapers. To avoid fraud cases against online donation, we are using Best Payment Gateway, which is most secured and trusted. This helps us to keep all the transactions confidential. This noble gesture of donors has enabled us to make the contribution in the direction of treatment and battle against cancer.
We can proudly say, with the help of our valuable donors, we have given help and support to 8,500 cancer patients to the tune of approximately 15 crore of rupees and covered 1100 hospitals till date.
Who takes a 5-minute cigarette break to relieve yourself from this stress, then I think you're doing more harm than good. And it's not only the cigarette that you're buying, but also if, God forbid, if you happen to have something as bad as cancer, then the whole treatment and medication will cost you a lot of money. Not only that, you will be adding extra stress to yourself and your family. So do yourself a favor, save yourself, save your family, quit smoking right now.
Anybody can be inflicted with cancer. So please do not discriminate with cancer patients. In fact, support them in the battle of life so that they can overcome the deadly disease. Let's join hands with CARF to give them a ray of hope and inspire them to live.
Bad habit of cigarettes, bidi and chewing tobacco can cause cancer, because of which 11,000 people lose their lives every day. Instantly quit tobacco abuse and support Cancer Aid and Research Foundation, CARF's mission to lead a cancer-free and healthy life.
माना के इस जहां को न गुलजार कर सके, कुछ खार कम तो कर गए, गुजरे जहां से हम.
My friends, we need to do more. I need you to support me. You can make a difference. Let's join hands and help make Cancer Aid and Research Foundation more successful in helping the poor and the helpless. We need you to contribute more. To contribute with your good wishes, with your blessings, with your monetary help, we can ensure that no cancer patient is left untouched and uncared for. So let's join hands and do something for the Cancer Aid and Research Foundation.
Let's come together to fight against a deadly disease of cancer. Avoid using tobacco products like bidi, cigarettes and chewing tobacco to lead a healthy life. And join us in our united fight against cancer.
Together we can beat cancer.
I appeal to donate generously to Cancer Aid and Research Foundation, as your small contribution can make a revolutionary change in the life of a cancer patient.